Start of summer, Memorial Day. Many of you have plans to hit the road for the long holiday weekend. Kylie Cruz shows us the best ways to save as gas prices keep climbing.
With gas prices here in the Phoenix area about $5 a gallon, we all want to save money, especially as we gear up for Memorial Day. You know, AAA estimates that more than 800,000 Arizonans, they're going to hit the road, even though gas prices are so high. So what can you do if you are going on a trip or you just want to save in general? There are a lot of things. They just have to change some of your driving habits. So joining me now to talk about ways in which we can increase our fuel efficiency is Dave Martin with Martin Auto Repair. So what's the biggest thing that you tell your customers?
Well, the couple of easiest things you can do is obviously make sure that your tire pressures are right where they're supposed to be, because any drag on the vehicle or on the engine, you are burning more fuel. Keep the junk out of the trunk. Take the stuff out of your vehicle that you don't use or you don't need. That extra weight causes a drag. You're having to accelerate a little bit more. You're burning more fuel.
So speaking of driving, we know that a lot of people have lead feet, right? You're going fast, you've got a lot of stop and start action, but that can really increase, unfortunately, the price that you pay at the pump, because you're going to have to fill up more often.
Absolutely. You know, when you're driving down the road, you want to make sure that if you see a red light ahead of you, just take your foot off the accelerator and don't race to every stoplight, because if you're doing that, you are definitely burning more fuel than you need to.
What about road trips as we gear up for the weekend?
Road trips are the same thing. You're going to be on the freeway, so you don't have the stoplight issues, but you don't want to accelerate really hard and decelerate. You want to just stay steady. Use cruise control whenever it's available. And you want to make sure that your vehicle is just, you're going at that steady speed and you're not accelerating super hard. And just stay at a steady speed.
And then lastly, air filters. We know this one is dirty, but just general car maintenance can also improve the fuel efficiency with your ride.
Absolutely. Definitely something as simple as replacing your air filter, keeping your fuel system clean. Just overall maintenance will just give you longevity from your vehicle. So you want to just maintain your vehicle.
Another thing to do, which, you know, with the temperatures heating up, a lot of us stay in our air conditioned car, but you want to avoid idling, because that can also definitely burn a lot of gas as well. Back to you.